You need to learn SQL. Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python Data and More. So alright, I know that's a pretty bold statement, but also probably in the 90s, 30 years ago, people were saying you need to learn Excel. And I guess I think that's where we are with the sheer volume of data that we have and the amount of information that we are using. And I'm shocked by how many people at my organization are learning SQL, and especially when I was leaving Walmart, how many on the business side were SQL aware. They may not have been great at it, but they were becoming more proficient because they understood the direction that everything was going. I've had conversations with my parents. I made the comment to my mother the other day. I said, could you imagine doing your job now without Excel? And she goes, no. And they've been in business for almost 50 years, and they started out with general ledgers, no computers. Like, they didn't think a computer was important to have. Now the sheer volume of computers that they have in their organization, the technology that they have brought in, the connectivity between their applications and their sales, and everyone from in the office to the shop to the delivery people to their suppliers to their customers. I truly think it's coming. So I think it's better to get ahead of it. And even if you don't use it, you'll have it, and it builds your portfolio of information. You become more valuable. But I truly believe that SQL is coming, and you might as well embrace it and just be ahead of the times. And it'd be a nice change, I think. So those are my 2 cents. Always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.